Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing my NEU Master, NEU, not NEW, model number NTC0023-18. It's a cordless tackler. So it's got a lithium power ion. That's the front of the box. Side of the box, so it should come with a battery and a battery charger. The other side of the box and what it can take. So it should be interesting. So if we open her up, got a lot of foam here. Yeah, we have quite a bulky looking power charger. So something like that. Yeah, fairly bulky, to be honest. We have a little box. So in the box, some sort of little adaptive thing. We'll see where that goes. Okay. Then we have another little box. It's probably the power. Yep. So 18 volts. Suspect it goes on something like that. Nice. And then we have the tacker itself. So let's take out the plastic. I'd say it's a little bit heavy, but I mean, this is my first time. Yeah, not too bad. Put that there for now. And then in the box we have one user manual. And connect with us for more. Yeah. More protection and something a bit more heavier. Nice. So they came with nails and the U ones as well. Nice. And that's it. That's what came in my NEU Master, what's it, lithium powered cordless tacker. If you have any questions or comments, please drop it below and I'll happily help you however I can. Thanks for watching.